Immobiliser fitting is the 2017 Lexus NX300 protected with Sterling XL Immobiliser, which is a Category 2 insurance approved system, which this customer's insurance company is asking for. So with this, you carry a tag on your keys. If someone's got your keys and they go to start the vehicle, the ignition's going to power up, but it's not going to start. As you see, this light's flashing, searching for this tag. Vehicle's not going to start until it sees it. So what you've got to do, pop it in a specific location on the vehicle. Simply pop them down, turn the ignition on. Obviously, you'll see this flashing. When it finds the tag, light will go out, vehicle will turn on, and now you can start it, and it runs. When you get out of the vehicle, you're going to get a solid light that lasts for 30 seconds to confirm you can still start the vehicle without the tag. As you see, it powers up. We've got the tag in our hands. If we wait 30 seconds for this light to go out, the system's now fully active and it's going to need these tags to start. So if we give it 30 seconds, we'll show you what happens. There we go, the light's gone out. Now we've got the tag in our hands with the keys. The vehicle's not going to start. So we'll pop them in a specific location. The ignition powers up straight away, foot on the brake, and we can start. Vehicle goes to ready and we can drive away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is the Sterling XL, which is a Category 2 insurance approved alarm system, which this customer insurance is asking for on this vehicle. Once again, our numbers 0208 212 7393, and this is the Category 2 Immobiliser. Thanks for watching.